There's nothing better than a burger. Oh, burger and chips. But you know, they're not really good for you.
In short, they're not.
But we're making a burger that is. It's kind of light, it's tasty, it's nutritious, but it's still a burger. And Kingy is making chips using 1 teaspoon of oil, just for that time when you want to look after yourself. So, first thing is, take a leek, or 2, and we're going to sweat these leeks down.
You know, the best spuds for chips are ones that have more potato than water.
The Maris Piper's good, Yukon Gold's good.
The King Eddies are good as well, and the Disney potato, that's nice.
Good chippers, that's what we used to say, didn't they? They're good chippers.
We're just making guilt-free chips. It's wonderful. We're going to toss them with some salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oil, and then we're going to pop them into the oven.
The burgers we're making are turkey burgers. You can get turkey mince everywhere, but the burgers, they've got leeks, courgettes, lemon zest. There's plenty of flavour and plenty of veggies. So, really, you can have burgers and have some of your 5 a day.
Perfect.
Oh, I'm feeling so virtuous today.
Now, the key to good chipping is to make sure that all the chips are relatively the same size, so they cook at the same time. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. And just let those sweat gently.
So, teaspoon of oil, and this is just sunflower oil. So you just toss the chips in the oil.
Then sprinkle with paprika, salt, and black pepper.
I just need to spread them out pretty evenly. Then we're going to put them in a preheated oven at 220 degrees for about 20 minutes, turning them halfway through. Right, I'm popping these into the oven.
I think these are done. Oh, a lovely colour. These need to be cooled down before we mix them into our burger. Now I've got a courgette, which I'm going to grate. Put the courgette in. And now I want the zest of a lemon. I'm looking forward to this, Si.
Yeah, so am I, mate, so am I.
Turkey mince, it's very lean. It's good for you. Pop that in. We can do this recipe. Minced chicken thighs are good. Now, this makes about 8 small burgers, but I'm going for quarter pounders. These are big biker burgers that make you smile.
Get in.
Very, very low in calories, low in fat, but very, very high in taste. When I was a kid, I was only allowed burgers once a week. And it used to be for tea time on Saturday when Doctor Who was on.
I was a bit of a soft squidgy one with Doctor Who because I didn't like the monsters.
I am a Dalek.
Oh, where's my burger?
Now, a burger should be a round shape. And the good thing is, you can have big ones because they're good for you. Ooh, that's quite hot. Now, I'm forming these burgers with wet hands because there's no binders, there's no filler in them. It just makes it much easier.
Well done, mate.
Well, that's worked out perfect, actually. Look at those. As I live and breathe, it's a burger. I love the way you've got the stripes. Beautiful. I have to say, Kingy, they're perfect. And they are holding together really well.
They are, actually. The mixture is sloppy.
Yeah.
But actually, as soon as it hits the heat, they just come together really nicely.
And if you do this for your kids, it's a brilliant way for getting vegetables into them if they're a bit kind of veg shy. You know, what's for tea? Burgers. Oh, yes.
Oh, let's toss the chips.
Ah.
Oh, lush. Oh, they're looking good, aren't they?
These aren't that far off, Si.
Great.
Put them in, 10 minutes.
Perfect, mate.
Homemade oven chips.
Oh.
Hey, you're flipping good at that, aren't you? Hey! Shall I get the chips out?
Go on, mate, go on.
What a great... Look at that. As I live and breathe, chips. But they're kind of spicy chips as well.
I love you, aren't they?
Why? Oh. Guilt-free feasting chips. Who'd have thought it? And burgers are quite personal. And I think we can be quite inventive with the trimmings for this. Brioche buns. I think avocado would be nice. Relish, tomato, onions.
Oh, no.
Not sure about cheese.
Now, have you noticed there is a huge upsurge in the appreciation of the avocado over sourdough toast and stuff?
I had avocado in a healthy chocolate mousse. That worked brilliantly.
I bet I can get that because texturally that would be amazing.
Avocado ice cream's quite nice. But avocado's great. It's good for you too. I'm just going to put some lemon juice on the avocado. Bit of flavour, but it also stops it going brown. Oh, I'm going to go for it with this one. I'm going to have everything on mine. I think I'll start off with a bed of relish. Has to be red onion in my eyes. Now, that looks like the fattest, juiciest, biggest one, so I'll have that one. Avocado. Ew. Tomato. Pinch of salt. We could put mayonnaise on, but you know, these are guilt-free burgers, so use a bit of creme fraiche. Pretend mayonnaise. And a little bit of Popeye stuff.
Nice.
It looks good, it feels good, and you know what? It's going to do you good. And you know what? They're very good-looking chips.
Yeah, really good.
Do you know what, Kingy?
What, mate?
Let's burger off and eat this.
Excellent.